strong, consistent public policy have been the basis for FTTH deployment throughout Europe. The leadership role of the European Commission is essential, and I'm delighted that Henna Virkkunen, Executive Vice President for Tech, Sovereignty, Security and Democracy at the European Commission, has accepted to share her views at the beginning of this new legislative cycle for the Commission. She cannot be with us today, but she recorded a speech which we are now going to share with you. Henna Virkkunen.
It is a great pleasure for me to open the FFTH Council Conference today, a milestone event dedicated to advancing fibre connectivity to the whole of Europe. Digital connectivity is at the heart increasing our competitiveness and technological sovereignty. In an era of rapid technological advancement, global competition, and a volatile geopolitical situation, our future, prosperity and security depend on having fast and reliable infrastructure that underpins our economies and societies. But first of all, where do we stand now? Our Digital Decade policy program sets a comprehensive and also ambitious agenda for Europe's digital transformation. We have already made significant strides forward. For example, on connectivity, progress in fixed broadband coverage has been significant, with a 13.5% growth rate last year, now reaching 64% of households. 5G coverage has also expanded rapidly, reaching 89% of households. However, challenges are still there, particularly with high-quality connectivity. We need to take further action, as connectivity is a key to advance not only our competitiveness, but also our security. On competitiveness, we know that for Europe to be globally competitive, we need to lead the development and implementation of key technologies. I will present the AI Continent Action Plan in April. With this, we will channel landmark investments into crucial supercomputing capacity in the form of Europe's so-called AI factories, while also promoting AI adoption across key industries. Last month, at the Paris AI Action Summit, the Commission announced Invest AI Fund, an investment fund which should ultimately leverage 200 billion of investments in European AI. This comes on top of the AI factories that we are already building. With 7 AI factories announced and the selection of other 6 AI factories ongoing, they will collectively represent on investments of 10 billion, co-financed by the EU and the member states, and constitute also the largest public investment in AI in the world. All of this would not be possible without connectivity. Our concept of connected collaborative computing, the 3C networks, gives us the essential elements of connectivity, computation, and cloud. High capacity, seamless and secure connections across borders are essential to drive digital growth. As we advance toward 5G technologies and beyond, our focus must be on expanding and upgrading our digital highways to meet the growing demands of society and businesses and enable new applications and services. Let me come to the second point, security, which is a key component of our digital framework. As we become increasingly reliant on interconnected networks, safeguarding these infrastructures from cyber threats and potential disruption is essential. The EU Action Plan for Cable Security presented in February 25 sets out a clear strategy to protect these very critical infrastructures. Recent disruptions in the Baltic Sea have underscored the need for stronger protection. The EU's plan focuses on 4 main areas: prevention, detection, rapid response, and deterrence. Prevention is strengthened through existing cybersecurity regulation, particularly through the NIS2 directive and the Critical Entities Resilience Directive, which require member states to enhance the resilience of their submarine cable networks. On detection, the new integrated surveillance mechanism will combine satellites, naval intelligence, and also AI-driven monitoring tools across multiple layers to provide real-time alerts on potential threats. When incidents happen, a fast and coordinated response is essential. We will establish an EU cable vessels reserve fleet in order to do this. This lays the foundation for much improved security and coordination of our cable connectivity, which is so crucial both at sea and at land. Let me therefore conclude that building a secure and future-proof digital network is essential for our competitiveness, our ability to innovate, and also to our digital sovereignty. Our journey toward digital sovereignty and competitiveness will require bold action, coherent strategy, and unwavering commitment. The digital transformation is among the Commission's top priorities. Let's embrace our shared vision of a Europe that not only participates, but excels as a united and global leader, setting the standard for transparent, sustainable, and strong digital growth.